So welcome to week one, launching your page. Welcome to week one where we're going to launch your page. In this week, it is really important that you have laid the groundwork like we talked about in week zero. Without doing the task in week zero, you won't be able to continue to do this week, even if you would like to, right? So step one, create your page. Before I go ahead and explain everything, what I mean with saying the first phrase is that you can have your whole page laid out. You can have the best page, you can have everything laid out, but you could have skipped one or two steps before in week zero, even though you have 100k followers, right? Like, it's so important to understand the process that you go through, the mental process, like step by step by step, to be able to understand where you want to go with your page as well. So step one is create your page. During step one, it's important to grab your competitor analysis from yesterday, right? And look at the information that it gave you. From there, using it to create your own Instagram page. Step one is create a new email. It's super important that you just create a new email. This can be around your username if you want to, but you can also create a random email. So eventually what happens, let's say you want to sell your account, it's important that you have a different email that you then give while selling the account, right? The original email that was used to create the account. So then create your Instagram page empty, right? Note, do not give it a name yet, because what happens is Instagram will only allow you to change your name twice in 2 weeks. Choose your username. That's basically the name where it can be chosen and changed for unlimited amount of times. But the Instagram page name is basically different, right? So choose your name, right? You can choose your name already. You can lay it all out. Then after that, choose your bio, choose the highlights you want to create in the future, choose the content you want to post, choose your caption and create it. Make 5 to 10 hashtag sets, right? We're going to talk about hashtags in the future video, but I already talked about it with what are Instagram theme pages. Then create your logo. You can also outsource this on Fiverr or Upwork if you want to. If you want me or someone else in the community make your logo, feel free to just drop your request in the community, and then from there we'll be able to create it for you. Choose your color scheme, right? What we also talked about in the What Are Theme Pages module. These are all the steps to launch your page to Reflect. I would recommend going back to the Start Here section in the program and to the module called What Are Instagram Theme Pages. This section is important to go back to if you do not know how to create your bio, name, username, etc. It is also important to get inspiration from your competitor analysis to be able to make choices. The goal here is to not overcomplicate and just do. Start your page and start posting. It's so important that you just start so we can analyze your progress on the weekly calls, and then from there make adjustments from how and what. So this is so important. And each step can have a certain time period in between, right? You don't have to do this all at once, but typically this is what I would do all at once. I would just have one batch action, right, with launch your page, take 1 hour of your time, go through everything, go through the What Are Theme Pages, go back to it, take notes, choose your name, bio, etc. And if you feel like it's really shit and you're insecure about your page, just drop the whole document, all the information in the community so people can also analyze it and revise it for you. So I hope you liked this video, and I'll see you in week 2.